Have you ever been in pain due to failures, a personal loss, a tragedy or a heartbreak? Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you find it extremely tough to handle that pain? A young man who was miserable due to the situations he was in came to an old master and told him about his problems, how he had done everything within his control to solve his problems, how his problems still remained, and how that had caused him so much agony and pain. The master heard him out, gave him a glass of water in his left hand, a handful of salt in his right, and then asked him to mix the salt in the water and drink it. As the man drank the water mixed with salt, he had a terrible expression on his face. The master asked, "How does it taste?" "Disgusting, horrible," said the young man. The master then handed the confused young man the exact same amount of salt, took him to a nearby lake, asked him to add the salt to the lake, and then drink water from the lake. As the man drank the lake water with his cupped palms, the master asked, "How does the water taste?" "Good, fantastic," remarked the man. "Can you taste the salt now?" asked the master. "No," said the man. The master said, "Dear son, after we have tried our bit to solve our problems and alleviate our pain, the amount of pain that still remains due to problems that are beyond our control is like pure salt. You can't change it. It remains the same, unmoved, unfazed, no more, no less. But how we experience that pain, whether or not we experience that pain, depends on the container we put it into. So when you can't change the pain you are in, enlarge your container. Stop being a glass. Start being a lake. And what does it mean to enlarge your container? It means that you enlarge your mental abilities by focusing on the good things happening in your life and thus making the salt-like pain seem trivial or non-existent. To enlarge the circle of inspiring people around you who add so much value to your life that the salt-like pain seems less bothersome and insignificant. To enlarge your sense of purpose by trying to help others who are in pain so you do not have the bandwidth to think of your own pain. To enlarge your consciousness by a spiritual connection that can give you the strength to handle the constant pain that you are just unable to remove from your life.